Learn to master abbreviations of the months in English. Hello language learners. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to take a step further and talk about common abbreviations for months. It's a small, but important part of English that often goes unnoticed. By the end of this video, you'll be able to recognize and use the abbreviations for the months of the year like a pro. So, let's dive in. The first thing we should know is, what exactly are month abbreviations? Well, the answer is quite simple. An abbreviation is a shortened form of a word or phrase. So, when we talk about month abbreviations, we mean the shortened form of the names of the months. For instance, we often shorten January to Jan and February to Feb. It's very useful when you're taking notes, writing dates in a shorter format, or simply want to save space or time. Now, let's get to know the abbreviations for all 12 months in English. January to January, February to February, March to March, April to April, May to May. It's the same as the full name. June to June, July to July, August, August, September to Sept, October to October, November to November, December to December. Remember, it's always important to include the period at the end of each abbreviated month, except for May, to indicate that it's an abbreviation. Understanding these abbreviations is one thing, but using them in a sentence is another. Let's see how we can use these abbreviations in a context. Here are a few examples. My birthday is on January 25th. The school starts on September 1st every year. The Christmas holiday is in deck. Well, that's it for today's lesson. Now you're familiar with all the common abbreviations for months in English. Remember to practice using them regularly, and you'll master these in no time. Hope you found this video useful, and until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.